Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to use the auto preview toggle in TownVOTE. When using the projector view, you may choose whether or not you want the audience to see the result of the vote immediately after closing the vote or delay the results until you choose to display them using the auto preview toggle. Note that this solution only works when using the projector view. Navigate to the sidebar where you can view the general settings. You will see the auto preview toggle 3 rows down. Since the auto preview toggle is switched on, the operator will display the results to the audience automatically in the projector view as soon as the vote is closed. If the operator wishes to show the result of the vote manually, they will leave the auto preview toggle turned off. Then, the operator can still see the results in the operator panel window in real time, but must explicitly click the review button on the agenda page within the action bar on the right-hand side in order to display the results to the audience. After displaying the results, they can be hidden again by selecting the Hide Preview button on the action bar, which will then show the holding screen. Thank you for watching this training on how to use the auto preview toggle in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.